How to buy Boom token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on about this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token, you can buy it from BINCX, sorry. So open your account on BINCX like that. So after you log into your account, click on login. After you log into your account, you will be able to find this search bar here. Now click on it and type BOOM. Now after that, you will be able to see a pair that have USDT. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, just set the amount that you want to buy of that token, and in the below that box, you will be able to see the total that you should pay of that USDT on your account. Now after that, click on buy Boom. So after you click on that button, in a few seconds this token will be added to your account. So this is how to buy Boom token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.